All right, welcome back to the Junk Wax Zone. We've got some of these surprise packs from the dollar store. They only pop up every so often, so we snagged a few of them, and we're going to crack them open here and see what we get. These are kind of cool because they come with some packs, and they also come with some supplies sometimes. This one is all packs, so no supplies in this one, but let's see. What is this pack here? We've got Rookie Pack. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, we got Anthony Bouvelier. Got a Mark Osborne. Peter Sirico. And what does that say? Can't read it in the light.
Radek Dvorak.
Dvorak. All right, well, nothing too exciting in there, but all right, we've got, this is Hockey Memorabilia Edition, so we'll see what's in here. Okay. All right, we've got another one of these jersey cards. Michael Ryder, and it's a little piece of a game-worn jersey in there. Authentic fibers, I think they call that one. Okay, this is well, just a 6-card pack, I guess. See what we got here. We got Capo Carthanen, Anton Strawman, Esa Tikkanen. Got New York Rangers original 6 card. Got a Aaron Ekblad and a Theoren Fleury. All right, Dylan, take us away on the next pack here.
Opening up a hockey mystery pack stuff there. Opening up a rookie pack, 1 card.
All right, we got an Owen Nolan.
Mark Fortier, Brian Skurland, Flip Forsberg, Johan Larsson. Opening up a 2010 3 hockey card pack. Brock Boeser, Travis Conasine, Janie Concannon. Score 1991 all hockey cards. Steve Smith, Russ Rohanen, Stu Barnes, Dave Manson, Dave Brown, Doug Evans, NHL brothers Aaron and Neil Broughton. Pierre Turgeon, Joe Sakic, Thomas Sandstorm, John Morris, Zdeno Giger, Stephen Rice, Frank Patagulo, Geaton Deshane.
We're opening this hockey cards surprise bag. Okay, just opening it up. Ryan Ellis, Mike Hoffman, and just a card. And this is the rookie pack with 4 cards. Okay. Just the back didn't open all the way. There is Mika Zibanejad, Al Macklins,
Yes.
Al McInnes, and Raiden Devara. I can barely see that.
All right, well, thanks for joining us here at the Junk Wax Zone. We figured we'd try out some of these dollar store packs and see what they had. A few interesting cards in here. Again, for $2 a pack. Can't go wrong, especially when you get some supplies in there too. Anyhow, thanks for joining us here at the Junk Wax Zone. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter. And we are getting closer to that Junk Wax giveaway of that 91-92 OPC hockey box. Thank you very much for watching.